napapaliwanag pag umiibig ka. But it happens though, you know? It happens to you too, I know. But I wanna tell you this, girl. Just keep on smiling and keep your head up. Just keep on smiling, girl. You know what I'm saying? You know, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyong nagawa. Every problems that I had, ikaw ang nagpawala. Yung para kang himala, kasi you make them disappear. Pagkasama na kita, you make my mind so clear. I wanna take you for the love, take you for the hug, take you for the tears and all the memories we had. All the good times and bad times, rainy days and sunshine, it doesn't really matter. I'm just glad that you're mine. Kumupas man ang panahon, lumipas man ilang taon, I always got your back. Alam yun ang Panginoon, walang babae na katulad mo ang pwedeng mahambing. Kasi hindi ka balingbeng, bagos ika'y malambing. Laking pasasalamat ko nung ikaw ay dumating, at ang pasayahin ako, di ba diyan ka magaling. I just wanna tell you kung gaano ka ka-espesyal. Lagi kang kasama sa aking bawat dasal. A lot of people say being in love is stupid or crazy, but it can happen to you, it can happen to anyone, cause that's love, you know. At pag na-love ka na, all you can do is shit. That's what I said, you gotta keep on smiling, smiling, smiling. No matter how tough it is, no matter how tough, keep it cool, you know, keep it cool. And this one's for all of y'all. I can't believe na mangyayari to. Di ko inaasahan na mai-inlove ako sa'yo. We used to be so cool, okay lang lahat sa atin. Pagiging tropa natin, girl, ayaw kong sirain. Hirap akong maamin, kaya nagtitiis. Takot ako na mawala ka o tuluyan ka na umalis. Para miss all the days na lagi tayo magka-chill. It's hard for me to say, pero I'm telling you for real. I ain't saying all this para lang makascore. You know I like you a lot, ever since before. Pero malabo na mangyari at magkatotoo. Kasi tingin mo para sa akin, kaibigan lang ako. Ayos ko sa akin ng gano'n, kaysa na mas nawala. Mas okay na ang nandiyan ka kaysa hindi mawala. Yung pagpasensyahan mo na kung ikaw ay nalito. Nais ko lang iparating, nandito ko para sa'yo. Yo, I believe that love is blind, man. It's blind, man. You shouldn't be in love. Pangit o maganda, it doesn't really matter. Pag na-inlove ka, inlove ka. That's the way it is, you know. And you better believe it with that one, man. This was for all them homies, for all them homegirls. Sa lahat ng tao, may special someone, special friend na laging naandyan sa'yo. No matter how tough it is, kung walang bumagyo, lagi siyang nandyan, you know what I'm saying? This was for all of y'all, man. Don't be afraid to show your love, man. Just don't hold back. Give them everything you got. Kasi minsan lang yun sa buhay natin, you know what I'm saying? Pag dumating yung special someone na yun sa buhay mo, don't let it go. Don't let it go. Don't let it go.